Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10T, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just hold for a while our device screen with the finger, and after that we'll see here widgets icon. Just click here once, and after that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, the Google search widgets, we have two different types of the widgets here. The Gmail only one, the Google Chrome 1, 2, 3, 4 of the widgets. Clock and calendar has also two widgets. For example, let's use the calendar application. We can add full month view or just the shadow, and just to add the widget we should click once on the widget, and after that we can see that we just add it successfully. If you want to resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller by this way. We can move widgets on the screen, just hold and drag it. Also, we can move it between the screens, and if you want, you can create the new screens with a widget. Just hold it and after that drag it to the right side of your screen. And just to remove it from your home screen, hold it, and then you'll see here the remove icon. Tap here once and confirm your action by click here to remove widgets. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.